I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Buttonwillow Raceway. And welcome the 22 BMW S1000RR and the all-new 22 Ducati Panigale V4S. Now, I know it doesn't look like Buttonwillow, but trust me, we're at Buttonwillow. Unfortunately, the camera didn't record my intro, so we're having to redo it. But today we have a matchup for you guys. The 22 BMW S1000RR versus the 22 Ducati Panigale V4S. And I'll tell you, I had a blast on both these bikes that day. I did have more time on the S1000RR than I did the Panigale V4S, but I don't know, it's a pretty good show. So without further ado, let's get on the Panigale, let's get out on track, and let's see what we can do time-wise on that. And then we'll show you our flyer lap here on the S1000RR, and then give you a thought there at the end and tell you what I think of both these bikes together. All right, guys, well, here it is, the all-new 2022 Ducati Panigale V4S, and head out on a warm-up lap, and then I'll try to give you guys some flyer laps. And see how we do. Let's actually get over into B mode. All right, so this is my mode. All right, so let me address a couple things real quick first. You guys have seen, actually today, the first ride on this thing. And let me explain the gearing on this, because the gearing is really, really tall. And a lot of you guys are like, oh my God, you're in first gear. Oh my God. But what I do want to talk about is how tall the gearing is. If you guys looked at the RPMs, I'm only doing like, 9,000, 10,000 RPMs. So this bike is, it's geared really weird. I mean, look, I'm like 6,000 RPMs in second gear already. So it's like, it's real low gearing. So we're gonna try to ride it a little bit more proper today. I get that you guys were all screaming about the first gear riding and second gear riding. But I have to say, this bike easily can be ridden in first gear through the twisties, and it's just the gearing is really tall. So we're gonna get our warm-up lap, and I will tell you that this is my first time really kind of working this thing here at Buttonwillow. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to give you guys a fair comparison on what this video originally started to be, and that is, am I faster on this than the 22 BMW S1000RR? I've ridden that on track. I put more miles on that bike, so I can tell you I'm definitely going to be faster on that bike than this bike. But that bike is also, suspension wise, is set up for me. This is set up for Bogna with some minor adjustments for me. So we're down a 157. On the BMW. My third session out, so this thing, you see I'm in third gear there. So it's a rocket ship though. See, in here, usually I stay in first or second. If I stay in second in this bike, I just got I've got nothing. So I really got to go down in the first there.
then once we pick up. So just wanted to go run that through you guys real quick. And I'm going to give you guys another warm-up lap just because I'm trying to get comfortable on it. See what I can do. I like the narrowness of the tank. Definitely makes it easy to slide back and forth, side to side. So sit back, relax, and enjoy a ride on a new Panigale V4S. that's it, you guys. I see the checkered up and start finish, and I already blew this flop, so yeah, it feels good. Now, we are running the all-new Pirelli TD, or I guess you'd call it the SC3, and I do not like them. Sam, I am. I do not like the Pirelli SC3s. Hard acceleration out after the straight, and any of the hard accelerations out of these S's, the bike just wanted to like walk around. I could feel the bike. I almost lost the rear in one going down the straight. So I don't like the tires. I mean, I know that this is big horsepower, but you guys can see I'm going to release a full video on this, and about halfway through I had turned up the traction control from 3 to 5, which is pretty crazy. But good ride though, good ride. I was able to kind of relax out there, breathe, take my time, and demanding fuel as always. And let's see, 2 minute flat, 2 minute 0.54. So definitely faster on that, but I also have more experience on that. But these tires are negative. These are negative. These are brand new. And yeah, I almost slow sided down the straight in one. The bike just, yeah. So, and this is the very first track day we have on this. So this is a brand new tire, and it's already down to our wear marks. So, I mean, it's gone on this side, which is Riverside. But this side, I'm surprised that it felt worse over here. So, but yeah, let's do a final wrap up and talk about what I like about the S1000RR and what I like about the Panigale V4S. You know, time-wise, not a good comparison. We're late in the day. I'm tired. That thing I got, you know, this thing got the best of me today. So we had some good sessions on it. But yeah, let's do an outro and talk about the differences between all these bikes.
All right, guys, well, there you guys have it. The all-new 2022 Panigale V4S versus the 2022 BMW S1000RR. And, well, it pains me to say the 2022 BMW S1000RR gets it today, but I'm gonna give me a little bit of credit. I spent most of the day on this bike. I have one session on this. It's the end of the day. We're running Pirellis, which we don't usually run. We don't like them. We're going to switch back to the Michelin tires, just FYI. But the Panigale, it's a blast of a bike. So I'm gonna release right after this the full uncut, full-length video of the session on the Panigale V4S. Give you guys a little bit of extra video, but today the 2022 BMW S1000RR gets it. Maybe next time we'll run this thing and see if we can beat its time, but not too bad. A 2 minute lap on this thing is not bad for the first session of the day, last session of the day. I'm exhausted and the tire is pretty much toast. So thank you guys for doing the normal. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notifications. Gonna give you future notification of future content. If you guys missed it, the 2016 plus the 2022 went up against each other, and yeah, I just had a blast on the 2022 BMW S1000RR today. So thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.